So hi guys, welcome to Chart Traders channel 369 for a weekly view that is on for 14th Feb till 18th. So there were multiple news about the market downtrend which is going to happen. But if you look current the news and the news flows which is now we are seeing is market looks it's a fear the fear is on due to this all these reasons. So geopolitical news, election and bank loans, all these are coming up. So there may be some downtrend it's going to happen in this week. That is what I am expecting. So let's look for what is the level it can reach minimum downtrend or the maximum downtrend, looking at the chart. So before that, note down guys, our channel is only for educational purpose. So if you're trading, please contact your finance advisor. Let me change my screen to for the trading view Nifty chart, then explain the move. Okay. Hope you guys are able to see my Nifty chart. A minute. Okay. So there was a news saying that one of the shipping yard companies of scam, okay, fraud scam. So we saw multiple news coming in the weekend. So if that continues, the negative, okay, and it can maximum try to hit this trend line till now, because this news was there before in 2016 and it was published as NPA from all the banks. Okay, it's not been published recently. So what I feel is we can expect the downtrend till this trend line. You need to watch. Okay, this is the low on 17,100 levels. Okay, so near this trend line, which we can expect. And if it doesn't sustain or if any global news comes still negative, the maximum downtrend which I'm expecting is 16,400. If it doesn't sustain this trend line, note down, if it doesn't sustain this trend line support, okay, then easily we can expect it can come down till here. Else we can expect some bounce back from this trend line. Any of the market SGX Nifty was showing negative. We can expect it can touch this trend line, can bounce back. Else this is the low which I'm expecting. Bounce back against it can fill till this level 17,530 600 levels. So maximum that is the high which I'm expecting if it bounce back. On the low I'm expecting 17,100 levels near this trend line. If it doesn't sustain this, then the maximum next low will be the big fall till 16,400. We need to see how it's going to take this news. So you can see here, this is a gap here, 16,600, 700. We have a gap, right? That if it fails to hold this, there is a possibility it can fill this gap. So that's the reason I mentioned in the caption, market fear is on. If it break this trend line, okay, if it break this trend line. Let's look at the chart and see whether Bank Nifty chart, what's the maximum low we can expect. So one day anyhow we are going to see the negative opening. At least we can expect 37,800 at this trend line. You need to watch. If it bounce back, then it can bounce back again back to 38,700 levels. So for this week, this is the level which I'm expecting, maximum 38,800 levels. This is the high which I'm expecting on the high. Lower side, if it fails to hold this trend line around 37,800 850 levels, right, then easily we can expect 37,000, and the next low is 36,500. So this is the max. Looking at the data, what I feel it doesn't mean that exactly it has to reach this level only, but the chart says this is the level possibility it can reach. And any big fall in the market, this is what I am expecting, but not so much. I am expecting only the maximum low is 36,500 levels. Okay, so that's about the index view for this week. And If you are invested, don't get panic much. Okay, so you know your levels and trade accordingly, and that's the best strategy that has worked for us. And also you can follow the levels and trade and invest, guys. So that is what I want to say. And any of news at that day we can see big fall, then it will try to recover usually. So that is what I am expecting. Let's see how it's going to react. So I have Manju also with me and see what is his view. So hi Manju.
Hi, hi all. Hi, Amit.
Yeah, what do you say? I mean, how it's going to react? We have multiple negative news coming up. Already we have seen many negative news, right, on Friday, Saturday. So what do you
Yes.
say how it's going to react on this
Yeah.
coming week?
Yeah, as for the Nifty, right, if you see, right, it can reach till 17,150 levels.
Hmm.
Okay, if that level breaks, right, you can expect till 17K. 17K would act as a strong support because that is one of the standard number, right? 17,000.
Hmm.
Rounded numbers will act as strong support. So if that also fails, right, I would expect like 16,800 would act as a strong support, and one more very strong support is 16,400.
Okay.
So these are the levels to be watched. But I strongly feel 16,400, 800, they'll be very strong to break.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
from there Nifty should hold the level and it should bounce back.
Hmm. So what about the Bank Nifty?
Bank Nifty, I haven't analyzed Bank Nifty.
Okay. This is what even I feel, if it doesn't sustain this trend line. This is a very
Correct.
major trend line at 35,000. So I'm not expecting that low, but I'm expecting at least 36,500 levels.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Let's see how it's going to react. Let's look at the stock for Monday. So let me change my screen. Uh, so looking at the over data, so it shows 17,000. That was on Friday closing time. So that will shows it the strong support is 17,000, and the next resistance is 17,500 for this week. Okay, so now I'm not expecting higher than this for this coming week, 17,500, and that's in resistance here. And lower side further, if it break this 17,000, further downside we can expect. And looking at the bank nifty, 37,000 over data says that's in support, and 38 is the next support, but we can expect these levels on the lower side 37, and the higher side 39,000 a strong resistance. So these levels we can easily expect in this week. Okay, so let's look at the stock for Monday, but before that, this is our training program, guys. So we are coming out with a small packages for people who want to learn option trading, right? So that we are going to publish in coming days. So please stay tuned and I'll share all the detail. If you want to learn technical, you can contact me Hemant at 369, and this is the topic which we are going to cover. Let's look at the stock for tomorrow, Monday. That is Axis Bank. You need to watch the price above 798. Okay, sorry, below 798. If it break this, then we can see further downside. Any of it is open going to open negative, so we can expect the downtrend till 780 levels. That is what on Axis Bank. And can finance, okay, so below 610. Okay, you need to watch. The next support is 600 levels. Okay, and Ramco below 864, that's in support. If it fails to hold this, then easily 820 is the next support. Ajanta Pharma above 2085, all pharma was trying to recover. Now 2085, that's in resistance. If it break, you can see further upside till 2140 levels. Okay. That's about the stock for the way for Monday. Thank you guys for watching our chart traders channel. See you on the next video, and thanks Manju for joining with me, and happy
Thank
weekend
you.
guys. Cheers, bye.